Hello there, sweet friends. I got a few things from Amazon today and I just wanted to show them to you. So for first thing I got is this makeup stuff. It's an eye firming gel and you put it under your eyes and it has caffeine in it. The brand is called Rant Eye, and then it has 3% caffeine in it, so it helps your eyes be less puffy. So let's open it up. It's from this pretty box. It's this pretty little tube and has that little metal ball in it. Again, this is the kind of thing I'm gonna put probably in the refrigerator so that when you do put it under your eyes, it feels really nice. So you just push it down and it gets the cream to come out. Looks like I did too much. So you just roll it like that. And it's a serum. I'm gonna put some up here too because I want less puffiness above my eyes as much as I want less puffiness below. Okay, so I'm gonna, again with my finger, just a little lightly tap it, and then I'm gonna let it dry and soak in. I do another thing to cheat, guys. I take this kind of stuff and I put it on my lines where I need Botox, but I haven't caved and done it yet. Okay, so let's just let that dry. Maybe some right here. Won't hurt. It's supposed to help. Okay, so I'll be back to check out to see how this works after it dries. Okay. I've also got another L'Oreal lipstick, of course, because I love L'Oreal products. I love L'Oreal lipstick. And the name of this is Silverstone, and the number is 760. Silverstone. So let's try it on real quick. I like that. It's kind of frosty, but I like it. Okay, I've used it before, but I just run out, so that's the second thing. A new thing that I just saw somewhere on YouTube or read about is that the tapping thing, you know, it's good for anxiety. And it's also good for different like parts of your body that you can do. But I'm just realizing that, and I think I saw it on the video too, that you can do a tapping on your face. Because I have something right there. So I'm putting a little of that CC cream stuff that I have to coverage, and I'm just tapping it in instead of rubbing it. I'm just tapping it in, and it feels nice, and it's actually covering this little spots and imperfections that I have with the makeup. Okay, now I'm going to do a little bit of powder. This L'Oreal True Match that I like. I may end up having to get some more makeup to cover that. Y'all, that could be from the sun because I've been going out in the sun a lot in the little pool, and it could just be from aging. Okay, I'm gonna show you my other new products. I also got a new voluminous mascara. Okay, put it on. Curled brush, my favorite. It's all nice and new. My other one had dried out. They last a long time though. I'm not doing the primer today. I'm just doing the quick. I'm gotta go do something, so I'm just putting some mascara on quickly. I may have to redo this after we talk here. I already did my eyeliner when I was off camera and my eyebrows, and I still want to curl them, so my curler's in the other room. I'll come back with my next product. I'm so excited about. My next product is the kimchi powder that everybody's talking about on TikTok and YouTube and everywhere, Instagram. And I got the lavender color. It's called Lavender. That's the kimchi Lavender. And you can order it from TikTok. I think they have little ads and stuff, but I got mine on Amazon, and so my Amazon link is in the description of the video. By the way, if you like my videos and want to see more, please like and subscribe. I really appreciate the subscribers I've gotten, and I'd really like to have more comments, and so we can interact if you have any questions, and just maybe you're sharing a journey of starting a channel, or maybe you have questions about makeup or whatever. I can try to answer them. I'm not an expert, but anyway, I'd love to get some comments and more subscribers and likes, the better. Thank you. Okay, let me put this on. I'm gonna open it up. Opening it up. Let's see if it comes out. Ooh, looks, it's wrapped so cute. I hate to tear the little wrapping, but I have to get into the powder. How cute is that? This little box is so cute. Okay, kimchi powder. And I'm gonna use one of my brushes that I have. Set and bake powder is what it says. Set and bake. And it has a little puff. How cute is that? It has a little puff. And so it's loose powder, y'all. So you'll want to just take it and then you shake it like this. This is the way I do it. And you get some of it to come out, and it's gonna get on the powder or you can do it like this. Shake it like that, and then some will come out. And I think I have done something wrong. You gotta take off the little, let me come right back. Okay, I'm back. I figured it out. There's a little, oh no, I didn't lose it. There's a little thing right here, and you just have to pull it. There, and now the powder's gonna come out. Okay, so now it's coming out. So you can either take this, ooh, this is a soft little powder puff. How nice is that? And then I think what I saw is you're supposed to go like this to it. And it's supposed to make it look, oh my gosh, look how it is looking. It's supposed to be, look at the difference, y'all. Look at the difference. See? And that one. I love it already. Wow. So again, this is the lavender color. Isn't that pretty? I love the way it is like a satin, but I'm putting it everywhere. Look at that. I love this. I think that is just really nice. So then you just put the powder puff back in there and close it. I didn't even use my brush. I just used the powder puff. So that's the kimchi. I highly recommend this stuff. And again, this is the lavender color, but they have other colors too. Okay, so the next thing I got is this cool little selfie stick, and it also works as a tripod, and it has the little clicker thing that you can click the video or photos on and off. And I'm using it right now, so I'm gonna take it off there so I can show it to you. So hang on, here we go. Okay, so here's the selfie stick, and it makes into a tripod. And then it folds up into a selfie stick, and you can make it bigger, and then you can rotate this to horizontal or back to vertical. Actually, that would be horizontal and that would be vertical. Okay, I'm back. The little click. So that's really cool. Another thing I got came in this little box. This ring thing, and you put your finger through it, and you put your phone. I'm gonna have to get my phone. So if you have a phone that has a ring on the back, then you can put it like that, and you can put it like that, like that. Hold on a second, I have an idea. Okay, voila. I got my boyfriend's phone. So, Sam is his name. This little ring thing attaches to, if you have a ring clip on your back of your phone, of your iPhone, then you can put your finger through it and hold it that way. Or you can pull it down like this, and you can hold it. This phone is different than mine, but you can hold it like that by the little bar. It has a little bar, and then you can use it as a stand, you know, like that. And one of the coolest things is it rotates. Check it out. So if you want to hold it from the side, like maybe you're shooting a selfie and you don't have a selfie stick and you just want a real quick video and you want to hold it like that. You can't hold it from, anyway. So I just thought it was the coolest little thing, and you can put your finger through it to hold it. So, and it rotates, and so it would work as a stand that way. See? So it's really cool. And I put my Amazon link on the description down there. And again, please like and subscribe. If you have a chance. I'm getting more subscribers, and now I need to get I have enough to get monetized with my number of subscribers, but now I need to get the hours. So please watch my videos too. I'd appreciate it. So excited about these new things I've gotten. And I got that in the tripod, and I got one more thing, and it's this little attachment thing. It's a magnetic holder. So what I'm thinking I'm gonna do with it, let me come back. Okay. So it attaches, it's this little magnetic thing. You've probably seen this before. You can use it in your car. You can use it all different kinds of places. And again, you need to have the little ring thing on your iPhone. And so you attach it like that. And then you can attach this piece. Looks like I need to have it that way. You can attach this piece wherever you want to have it. And it rotates around. And I'm going to put it on my laptop because, as you can tell right now, I'm not looking at you. I have to look over here. And so what I want to do is put my iPhone on top of my laptop where I can run my camera and can see what I'm looking at. And I'm going to use this to attach it to my laptop. So the camera actually will be what I'm looking at and not looking away like this, because I catch myself doing that a lot and I'm supposed to be looking at the camera. So anyway, it's just another cool little gadget, and I'll put it again in the links in the description below. And but just a few little fun things I got today I thought I would show you. Again, with the lipstick, got to start getting these, girls. These are awesome. Boys, whoever wants to buy cool lipsticks, L'Oreal. These are so awesome. Again, this is 760 Silverstone. I hope you're having a great day today, and thanks for watching my video.
Please like
Please
and subscribe.
and I'll see you soon. Thanks a lot. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.